Today, we want to talk about the Earth's gravitational pull. We encounter it everywhere in our lives, whether we are going about our work or spending our free time. It was Sir Isaac Newton who published the 3 axioms in the 16th century. These still form the mathematical basis of natural philosophy today. But why are these axioms so important, and what do they have to do with the anatomy of the human body? To answer this question, we need to look at the third law. This law is also known as the interaction principle. It can be easily explained using water. To move forward, the turtle must push the water backwards. This is called the action. The reaction is the forward movement of the turtle. These laws can also be transferred to the human body. We don't have to work against water, but we still need strength to move against gravity. The most underestimated force here is the toe flexion force. If this strength is not available, there is no way for us to stabilize the body sufficiently. A good comparison here is a tall building. If you remove the foundations, it collapses like a house of cards. This instability can lead to many diseases. In our practical videos, we repeatedly point out how important it is to wear the right footwear. Only then can the flexion force of the toes develop properly after treatment. Let's summarize once again. Choosing the right footwear is crucial for anatomical statics. Only with the right footwear can a person regain the ability to flex their toes. In this way, it can defy the laws of physics and counteract gravity. We cannot change the laws of nature, but perhaps we can look at them from a different perspective in order to understand them better. Please bear this in mind if you want to find out the cause of your illness. We hope we have been able to help you a little with this video. Understanding the human body in all its complexity is a long journey, but we will do our best to bring you closer to this knowledge. We hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to seeing you again in the next part.